All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, where we are proud to present this beautiful 2018 BMW 430 convertible. It is the XI all-wheel drive model with 14,000 miles. Beautiful black with the brown Dakota leather, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, fog lights. Super nice. Best of all, no damage on the body to talk about. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper. Do you see a scuffing really, or a dent? About 5 inches right there. The rest of the bumper looks pretty good. Here's your hood. Looks good. Your fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread is at 6/32. This door looks good. This rear quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread is at 6/32 as well. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Your front driver's seat with no holes, no tears, no rips looks good. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, all that good stuff. Does come with one key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got here your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx. You got your map right there. I believe it's got your map right there. Boom. I don't know how to go back. Going back. You got radio and stuff like that. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your which even sensors and everything like that. You got your AC controls right down below. You got heated seats, super nice. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 14,478 miles. Looks good. You got all your little options there. Your convertible top. Your stuff for this. Boom. That way, it looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. I like it. I like it big time. Alright, let's see, what else? Looks good. Keeping it moving. Turn on the lights. Turn on the fog lights. Boom. Coming around. Your rear bumper looks good. Your trunk space looks good. Of course, you got your glass there and stuff like that. I'm gonna get my man to open up the thing right now so you guys can see how that works. Boom. That looks pretty. Boom. That looks incredible. Now I'm gonna open it up, and of course all windows close up. You got your little tray here that picks up. You put it in there. You got your thing. I know that in here is your what's your stuff down here? I don't even know what that is down there, but I know here you got a cargo netting. Here you got some buttons that like level this thing out for you guys. That's pretty cool. And now watch it. And now of course the windows are closed as well, so that's pretty cool. Now watch it come around. Looks awesome. Oh, the tray. My fault. You gotta have that tray out. Now that son of a bitch will work. See? Oh, that folds up into itself. It looks incredible. Wow, now that looks beautiful. Of course, here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Rim. Does have some curving. I see it. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. And your tire, there it is. Just under the line of 7:30 seconds. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks fantabulous. Fender here looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Has some curbing. Say about 5 inches if I engulf it all really, because it has 3 here, another one, another inch there, and another inch there. I don't know. I might just call it 10 or more, just engulf it all. Tire thread is about 6:30 seconds. Lights are working. Car is beautiful, as you just saw, folks. Once again, this is a beautiful 2018 BMW 430i. It is the XI all-wheel drive hardtop convertible with 14,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.